automatic transfers here. And I just changed it from that other amount, the 4204, just to only $5 per month, starting on October 2nd, 2024. So we've got that set up here for you. Was there anything else I could look at for you today?
No, that sounds good, man. Thanks for helping me today.
Absolutely. Yeah, that's what we're here for. I hope you have a great and groovy day and stay safe out there.
You too, man.
Thank you for participating in our member service survey. We would like to ask you 6 brief questions. For each question, please press 1 for yes or 2 for no. For questions regarding the representative, please only rate the last representative.
So this is the questionnaire. You don't have to do this.
Was your contact resolved during your phone call? I didn't understand that. If you're satisfied with Navy Federal after this call, press 1. If not, press 2. Thinking of only the last representative you spoke with, did you find it easy to work with this representative? Are you satisfied with the representative's number? Did the representative make you feel valued during the call? Was it easy to use?
So you just hit 1
This concludes our survey. Thank you for
knock that out. And what that does is it just, they have points and stuff for their members to see if you are a participating member. All right. So if you're not participating in their stuff, that cause red flags if you're trying to get that bag. So this was paying off the 90%. It's going to post soon. And you guys will be able to see your credit boost after this post to the account, number 1. And then after you pay off the 90% and set up the minimum lowest payments as possible, which we just did.